Hello everybody. So, before I tack too much more, or weld too much more of the Floyd, I might just check and get this box member trimmed up before it gives me any wobblies or any problems. Just so I can see how that's looking. Even though it's not fully in there yet, it's looking pretty good. But because it's an original one, just cleaned up, it should fit fairly well. Where some of the pattern ones can be a bit more dubious, but obviously we're using pattern floors, you see, so you might find the angle around the back here just doesn't fit right. So we'll just get that trimmed up just so I can see that looking alright, and then we'll move on to fully welding in the floor and finishing off the bulkhead there, and then we can finish spot welding all this up and then move on to the rear subframe point. Let's see how much we get done. Okay, that's gone in there quite nice, so it's good to know. What I need to do now is, in a bit before it goes in, is to drill some spot welds. I'm just marking now where it's got to go. Because then next time when I drill the holes, I'm not marking. I'm not going to drill in where there's a channel. Obviously, you know, that's a pain in the arse of the world because you can't really. So yeah, I'll do that, and that's good. So I know that's all ready for that, which I've done that one wrong. So let's scribble that one out. That's good. I'm going to put 2 in those. It's a bit overkill really. Anyway, we'll think about how many holes I want to put in that later. So let's get that out of the way and let's get on and weld a lot of the floor up. I'm going to do it in sections. I'm just going to jump around, try not to put too much heat in one area, and just see the best I can do to see if I can not blow too many holes. Alright, slowly getting there. Tell you what, with the heater on and the door shut and welding, it's getting quite toasty now. So yeah, just jumping around, try not to weld all along in one go, just because I think that's better. And then yeah, just keep doing that, and then I'll grind it back a bit. I'm not going to grind it too flush because I'm always worried about making it weaker again by grinding all the weld off. But you know, only the concourse car, it's going to be used. I just want it solid and done half well. So I was just doing some welding, I forgot to video, so just doing some plug welds at the front now. So it's looking good, and then we get the soft pad on it, clean up the grind, and then see how it looks, and then we're on to the next stage. So I've just finished putting a few plug welds on this and see how it goes. Okay. This film's going, is it? Yep. Let's got the bulk of it done. Let's grab ourselves a soft pad. Clean some of this up. I don't think it's too distorted, it's got a little bit of a ripple there. Might be able to smack that out with a bit of a hammer and a bit of wood later. We get it underneath, we'll have a look. So yeah, let's get a brand new soft pad on that. Grind some of those welds back, make them look a little bit nicer. And then we'll look at spot welding. This doorstep's solid, I think. And then maybe look at the rear subframe point next, because again, it's still floating around in the air at the moment, so let's get that sorted as well. So at least the car's solid and can drop back onto its wheels. Oh. Alright, on close to solid floor. I think I'll call it again. Until next time, I think still a few more welds to do. Inner wing still got to do the spot welding yet. Yeah, that'll do for now. Alright, spot weld the doorstep next time. Alright, cheers.